Hi. In this video, we are going to find out the force on one plate of capacitors due to another plate. Up to now, we know that one plate of the capacitor is positively charged and the other plate is negatively charged. Due to this presence of charge, there exists a force between them. Let's quantify that. Let's say one plate is negatively charged and another plate is positively charged. We are going to find out the force on negatively charged plates, due to positively charged plates. We know from the previous video that the electric field due to infinitely charged plate is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So electric field due to positively charged plate, on a negatively charged plate, will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Force is equal to Q into E. Therefore, multiplying the value of E with Q, gives us the force on a negatively charged plate, which is equal to Q square by 2 epsilon naught. This is the force on one plate due to another. This is it for today's video. Let us know in the comments section, which topic you want to see next. Before leaving, check the exclusive offers, link in the description below. And do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. To find out more on the subject, continue watching the next video.